Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Miss D. I am a little bit excited about this video today because it's going to be very short. So I'd actually like to say thank you to all my subscribers for staying here with me, and to my very brand new ones, welcome. I'm excited that you're here. You guys are the ones that make this possible and that keep me coming back each week to do this. Now, all right, this is going to be all about this shot slash martini that I just came across not too long ago. I actually had some sourpuss apple just sitting around, and I'm like, what am I gonna do with this? So then I went online, and a suggestion was to put it with butter ripple schnapps. Now the two of them together are gonna make a caramel apple shot. Now you can also do this in a martini, so I'll show you how to do both. I think the shot is pretty self-explanatory, but I'm gonna make it into a martini glass, and I'll sip on that for this afternoon. And other than that, let's go. All right, so I just took out my martini glass from the fridge, from the freezer, and it is nice and frosty. I think that always looks so beautiful. And if you're serving your guests and it's their very first drink of the evening, that is a beautiful way to present their first drink to them. So it just makes them feel extra special, like you actually had that thought going through your mind before they arrived. So I have my cocktail shaker here. I've got some ice in the bottom of this side, and then I have my cocktail strainer as well, and then a 1 ounce shot glass. Now I'm just gonna basically take 1 ounce or 1.5 ounces of the butter ripple schnapps. So I'll pour that into this, 1.5. Now that is about a half. I know it doesn't look like it, but it really is, because the top of the glass flares out, and actually it's probably about 3/4. Ooh, oh well, Miss D's gonna have a good afternoon. Ha. Anyways, all right, so I'll just pour that in there, and then I've got my sourpuss apple. 1, and this one I'll try and actually make a half. There we go, that's better. That is closer to a half. Anyways, all right, so I'll pour that in there, put my lid on, give it a good shake, and basically as soon as this part of the martini shaker starts to get cold is when you're ready to strain and pour into your glass for presentation. Okay, now this is nice and cold, so there's a really good seal on this. What I'm going to do is just gently hit it on the side, and that will release the suction that's been created in there, and I am ready to pour my martini. Now obviously if you wanted to do this in a shot, you would just simply pour the two into a shot glass, half and half, and shoot it. But this, I'm going to pour into my martini glass, and it kind of comes out the color of a caramel apple as well, which is really cute. So I like that, and that is our caramel apple martini. I hope you guys enjoy. If you enjoyed watching this quick little video, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell right beside, because that will notify you the next time I upload a video. Follow me on Snapchat, on Twitter, and Instagram, and I'd love to see you there. What else? Oh, if you want to leave a comment below, please feel free to do that. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want, send me a picture of this martini, or if you're doing it as a shot, send me a picture of that either on Instagram. Tag me on there. I am the real Miss D, and I'll just have all that information down below in the description bar. I'll also have the recipe for that. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you in my next video.